U-434, also known as the U-Boat Museum Hamburg, is a unique and immersive attraction that offers visitors the opportunity to explore an authentic Soviet submarine. Moored along the banks of the Elbe River in Hamburg, Germany, U-434 provides a fascinating glimpse into Cold War-era naval technology and operations. Stepping aboard this decommissioned submarine, visitors are transported back in time to the tense geopolitical climate of the 20th century. Inside the cramped confines of the submarine, they can discover the living quarters, control room, torpedo tubes, and other compartments that were once inhabited by Soviet submariners.